Running a business is already hard enough, but trying to stay on top of taxes, bookkeeping, compliance, that's the stuff that keeps entrepreneurs up at night. And if you're outside the US as well, and you're trying to run a US based company, it gets even more complicated on top of it, right? But what if you could have a full finance team, a bookkeeper, a CPA, compliance support, all working for you without the massive price tag that usually comes in with that? And that is where Doola.com is going to help. Now, even if you have no financial background or even live in the United States, this can help you save thousands of dollars or dozens of hours while keeping your business running smoothly and stress-free. So imagine waking up knowing that your business finances are totally under control, your taxes are filed right, your books are up to date, your transactions are tracked, they're organized, they're managed by a team of professionals that knows what they're doing. And the best part is it's all affordable. You don't have to spend thousands on a full-time accountant or waste hours doing everything yourself, right? And again, that is exactly where Doola.com comes in. And if you're a business owner, especially one outside the US, this could be a game changer for you. And trust me when I say this is not the case for most business owners. Quite the contrary. Most business owners and entrepreneurs have books that are out of control, no idea where money is coming in from and where, and are the opposite of organized. This ends up being a nightmare to manage their business, to track their profit and expenses, and to get taxes paid up without 10,000 different headaches come tax season. Not only am I speaking from personal experience, but I talk to entrepreneurs every single day where this is the case. It is more the norm than the exception. Now, you may already know Doola as a business formation platform. They've made a name for themselves by helping people all over the world legally set up businesses inside the US, whether you're forming an LLC, a C Corp, or whatever. But what's really exciting is how much further they've taken things recently with the launch of their new Total Compliance Max plan. Doola is going way above and beyond just business formation. They're offering a complete all-in-one solution to manage your company's finances from start to finish, and that really got my attention. So in this video, I want to cover everything that this new plan includes, how it works, and why it might be one of the smartest moves that you can make in your business right now. So let's start by looking at Doola's pricing page. So once you click the link, head to the top of the page and select pricing. You'll see a few different plans available, and it's important to understand what each one offers so you can pick the right one for your needs. So first, there's the starter plan, and this is designed for people that are just getting started with forming a US-based business. So if you don't already have an entity set up, this plan works for you and walks you through the entire process. It includes your EIN, a US registered agent as well, a virtual business address, and everything else that you'll need to legally operate your business in the US. Even if you're not physically located here, even if you're not a US citizen or resident, they make this process super easy and accessible for everyone. But on top of that, if you're looking for more than just business formation and you want help managing taxes, staying compliant with US regulations, and keeping your books clean, then the Total Compliance Plan or the Total Compliance Max Plan is where things get really interesting. So with the regular Total Compliance Plan, Doola not only helps you form your business, but it also helps provide upfront consultation with a CPA as well. From there, they're going to handle IRS filings annually for you. And that's a big deal, of course, because filing US-based business taxes can be confusing and expensive. Even if you're using the traditional accounting firm, it's still very, very confusing. And you want somebody that's going to explain it to you and also understand what to do the correct way. So just for reference, I personally pay over $6,000 a year just for tax prep and then filing with my standard CPA, not to mention the countless hours I have to put into actually bookkeeping myself. And even with payroll software like Gusto and bookkeeping software like QuickBooks to help, this is still a nightmare. It takes dozens of hours out of my busy schedule constantly over and over again. And it is something that is boring, monotonous, and something that I absolutely hate, but it has to get done, so you have to do it, right? But Doola's Total Compliance Plan, it's less than $2,000, and that includes both the formation of your entity and your business, of course, but also your annual tax filings as well. And that is a serious saving for a lot of people. But if you really want to take the headache out of running the business entirely, right, and all the finances involved, their Total Compliance Max Plan goes one step further. And this includes everything from the lower tier plans plus one major upgrade, and that is bookkeeping. Let's be honest, all right? Bookkeeping is one of the most tedious parts about running a business. Once you start getting some sales and some success, this will almost assuredly be your next headache. I promise you that. It is repetitive. It is time consuming. And if you fall behind, it becomes a nightmare come tax season when you're trying to figure out which transaction corresponds with which payment method from which company and when and why. Is it, a write-off under this tab? Is it a deduction because of that? Why aren't your books balanced, right? Where did you go wrong and what month and what day? How do you fix it all without messing it up even further? You could tell that this is a big part and a big pain point for me in my own business, right? So if you're a business owner, especially an e-commerce business owner with thousands and thousands of transactions, or you sell online in any capacity, you're going to know what I mean. All right. But with this plan, Doola assigns you a dedicated human bookkeeper who's going to keep your books up to date every single month. That is their main priority. This means your income, your expenses, your transactions, they're always tracked and they're always accurate without you having to lift a finger. And I absolutely love that, right? So an extra $1,000 a year on top of that, this is a massive value. Hiring a US based bookkeeper alone would usually cost way more than that. And finding one that can do a decent job at a reasonable price is like kissing a bunch of frogs in order to find a prince. It is not enjoyable in the slightest. Now, to get started, you can simply just click products in the main menu and then select bookkeeping and then hit get started, and you'll be able to guide you through this simple sign up process. You'll then either enter your name, your email, and choose your country of residence. And then one of the coolest things about it is how well Doola works for international entrepreneurs as well, not just those of us in the US, although it started with just US based businesses as well. But all international, all worldwide, it is super simple. Even though the platform was originally designed specifically for, helping US-based businesses. So whether you're in Europe, you're in Asia, you're in South America, wherever, you can find that Doola is going to be one of the most cost-effective and easiest ways to then break into the US market if you want to start a business or sell here in any capacity. Now, once you've entered your details, you can choose whether you're starting a new business or if you already have one. If you have a US business already and you just need help with bookkeeping and taxes, then Doola's got you covered, like I said. So you can then select the option that strictly applies to you and what you want, and you'll be taken from your personalized dashboard. And from there, you can get a quick tour of the platform and start providing information that Doola's going to need to then manage your finances and then connect. Okay. It is super intuitive. It is clean, and it is designed for people who aren't finance, accounting, or bookkeeping experts like you and me. Now, let's circle back to the bookkeeping side of things for a second, because it is really the star of the show in the Total Compliance Max plan. Like I said, having a real person managing your books every month is a huge upgrade. Okay. You are not just getting an automated software. You are getting a human expert who's looking over your transactions constantly, reconciling your accounts, and keeping everything organized and audit ready. That peace of mind is worth every penny. It takes something that's trivial off of your plate so you can then focus on what you do best, launch new products or make new content or whatever it is that you specialize in. And one of the biggest things that I actually heard early on in my entrepreneurship journey that stuck and actually paid large dividends was that I had better stop doing $10 per hour tasks in my business unless I wanted to continue to make $10 an hour, right? And this is beyond true. At some point, you need to let go of the little things in order to make way for the big things and actually that are going to move the needle, right? And actually matter. Otherwise, you won't have any time and you will be stretched way too thin trying to scale and expand. But beyond that, of course, there's obviously the tax side, okay? So tying back into the Tax Compliance Max plan, Doola's team of experienced CPAs is going to handle your federal filings and your state filings with precision. They're going to start you off with a strategy session to understand your business structure, your goals, and how they can help you the best. And then they'll take care of all the rest. You don't have to worry about deadlines, confusing forms, staying up to date on certain things, missing deductions, none of that. And everything is managed for you in one simple dashboard, and all your financial records are kept there as well. That way, if you ever need to check something, it really does feel like having a full service accountant department for just a fraction of that usual price. At the end of the day, the Total Compliance Max plan is more than just a financial service, in my opinion. It is a full-on business support system that takes the stress, the guesswork, and the heavy lifting out of managing your books and your taxes so that you can spend more time doing what actually grows your business and that what you actually enjoy at the end of the day, right? So if you'd like to try Doola for yourself, you can do so through the link in the description below. I cannot recommend this enough for businesses of all shapes and sizes. It is a no-brainer to get you started as you scale. And if you're serious about running a business that's organized, compliant, and built to grow without wasting time on bookkeeping or stressing over taxes, then Doola's got your back. It gives you the support of a full finance team and business for a fraction of the cost. I really hope you look into it because I really know that it can help you.